Welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we'll be talking about bank products. In order to set up your bank products in the system, we're going to first click on Batch e-file, then click on line number 5, Bank Product Settings. We're going to make sure that we have our correct EFIN number on line number 1. If the EFIN is not registered, the program will tell you, and you're going to either contact Taxware or type in the correct EFIN. So the next step is to go ahead and recall the client. Once we have recalled the client, we want to make sure that we have the phone and driver's license information. If we type it in this screen, it will go ahead and carry that information over to the bank application. If not, it will ask us for it on the bank application menu. As you can see, I already have it typed in. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go over to the summary menu, and then I'm going to click on the e-file line number 20. Once I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and click on line number 8. It says bank application, and it will go ahead and carry, as you can see, the phone numbers and all the driver's license information. Anything that's in red will have to be filled in or completed before you can process the bank application. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in driver's license, and that gets rid of the red. You have your tax preparation fees, which can be modified by clicking on this button. And then you have all other kind of fees that are being charged, such as the transmitter fee or service bureau fee. Line number 5 is what you want to go ahead and do, which you're going to go ahead and select how the refund transfer is going to be dispersed by a refund check, a deposit, prepaid card, or faster money prepaid card. Depending on the bank product provider that you have selected, these options will differ. In this case, if I select a direct deposit, for example, it will highlight things that needed to be corrected in red. Up at the top left, we have our preview our bank application. We have our print the bank application, our bank product estimate, in our 7216 consent forms. You want to make sure that you print the 7216 consent forms and the bank application before moving forward. If the program finds any errors, you can easily see them by clicking a preview error list. If anything is on here, you would want to go ahead and fix that before moving forward. For example, if I don't select this and I preview, it will tell me that the taxpayer state ID information is missing. That can easily be corrected. I'm going to select driver's license. I'm going to print my bank application. I'm going to print my 7216, and then I can go ahead and move forward by clicking OK. And then if I'm finished with the return, I can go ahead and click on the A2A e-file menu. Here on the bottom left of the e-file menu screen, you're going to see direct deposit information, and it's going to say the name of the bank and account information. This is not going to be your client, the taxpayer's account information. This is going to be the account information for the bank. So if you see this, just know that this is where the money is first being routed before it gets routed to your taxpayer. If you have any further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give a technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing Taxware.